The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, there lived an ant and a grasshopper. Each summer morning, the industrious ant woke up early to gather food for the winter ahead. The idle grasshopper, however, slept until noon and played until the sun went down. All summer, the lazy grasshopper laughed at the responsible, hardworking ant. "You are very foolish to work so hard," he yelled. "Come and relax." Instead, the ant kept working and replied, "I'm preparing for winter, and so should you. I'll relax later." Soon, summer turned to fall, and fall became winter. A blanket of snow covered everything. Now the grasshopper wasn't singing or playing. Instead, he was shivering and weak with hunger. "What will I do?" he wailed. Then he remembered the ant. The contented ant was relaxing when the grasshopper visited. "Dear friend, I need some food," he demanded. "I'm sorry, but there isn't enough for both of us," explained the ant. The grasshopper was hungry all winter, but learned an important lesson. So, boys and girls, today for your reading assignment, I would like for you to identify the characters from the story, The Ant and the Grasshopper. I'll give you a hint. The characters are in the title, The Ant and the Grasshopper. So, insert their names here and then draw a picture of the ant and the grasshopper. Setting. The setting of the story is where the story takes place. So, think about where the ant and the grasshopper the story takes place. Are they inside? Are they in a school? Are they outside in the grass? Think about the setting, type the setting here, and insert or draw the picture of it. Then on slide 2, what is one event that happened in the story? So think of one part of the story that you particularly enjoyed. Maybe it was when the ant was busy preparing for the winter. Maybe it was an event where the grasshopper was laying in the hammock taking a nap. Maybe it's the end of the story where the ant was cozy in her little house and the grasshopper was shivering in the cold. But think of one event from the story, insert a picture of it, and write a sentence about it. And then think about it. The grasshopper had a problem. What was his problem? Type his problem here, and then what is a way that he can solve his problem? I think Grasshopper's problem was because he was lazy, he wasn't prepared for winter, and he was hungry and cold. I think a solution to his problem would be the next summer, he needs to make sure he works just as hard as the ant. Once you finish those 2 slides, we have our word of the day slide, all, A-L-L. Read it, type it, build it. And then our vocabulary word of the day is responsible. It's an adjective, having an obligation to do something or having control over or care for someone. So you're going to draw and write about one way you are responsible at home and draw a picture. And if you want to see a video about being responsible, click on the picture. And then our fun read aloud of the day is The Real Mother Goose. So enjoy that story. You can click on the book or the title to just listen to it being read to you. Once you are finished with your assignment, just simply turn it in.